Okay, had a chance to start the design process. Here is two different options. Really the only change between the two options is where the doorway is for the butler's pantry. I think this option on the left is better than the one on the right. And then I'll walk through the rest of the kitchen. The one on the right. So if we start over here, we've got a doorway going through here, and then another doorway going this way. This, as you might guess, this right here is the stairs. Probably your stairs start around here to the basement going down. So this is deeper from here to here than it is over here. Not by a lot, but it's probably 8 inches deeper. The overall depth on this design is about 42 inches, 72 inches. So you might want to check to see if that's too deep going into your living room where the piano is. Over here, the overall depth, get it turning right, from here to here is 65 inches. So I can do it a little shallower on this design because the doorway is right here. Or I probably could shrink the door a little bit on this design. So I guess my main point here is how deep into that room where the piano is do you want to go? Minimum would probably be 65 inches. We have a landing area, refrigerator. This is a counter depth refrigerator. Panels on either side of the refrigerator. Double oven. Crown molding going to the ceiling. Over here next to the fireplace we have a landing area. And we can certainly configure these cabinets any way you want. At the moment I have a drawer with 2 doors. Behind the 2 doors would be roll-out trays. A bank of 3 drawers. A drawer, 2 doors. Behind the 2 doors would be 2 roll-out trays. A drawer, 2 doors. Behind these 2 doors, roll-out trays. 2 doors here over the double ovens, and a drawer at the bottom. I don't think it's a good idea to put refrigerator over here. A double oven, I'd rather have it over here, actually, because this is pretty valuable landing area. Let's blow this up a little bit more so you can see it. So this cabinet here would have a drawer, 2 doors. Behind the 2 doors would be roll-out trays. If you want to have drawers here, you certainly can, but at the moment I have roll-out trays. The benefit of a roll-out tray is you can adjust the height of the middle roll-out tray. If you have a bank of, say, 3 drawers here, you can't adjust the height of those. Wall cabinet, dishwasher, sink base centered on the window. This, I believe, is a double trash pull-out. Yes, 18 inches. 2 trash bins with a drawer on top. That's this cabinet here. This cabinet here. This is a spice pull-out right here. So I have about a little more than 6 inches left. It's a spice pull-out. I can show you what a photo of what that is. So this is a spice pullout. See what I mean? Then we, in the corner, we have a super lazy Susan. Two trays that spin independently. So there's two trays that spin independently. They fit on a fixed shelf. I can demonstrate this a little better for you. Again, this is this can be anything you want, but at the moment I have four drawers here, two drawers over the range top, or under the range top, I should say. Four drawers here. We can mix this up. If you want doors, if you want three drawers, that's fine too. I left the space on either side of the vent hood open. The island would have storage here, 12-inch depth storage. Then seating on the other side, the support post here, microwave drawer on the bottom. This would be a cabinet with a two doors, a drawer, and pull-out shelves. You can see the 12-inch deep storage here as opposed to the 24-inch deep storage. Then I've got wainscot panel on the back of the 24-inch deep storage. Then this here represents where the wall starts. You have a good deal of space here, and I believe there's a column. That's right there. That represents the column. So there's quite a bit of room still here. So again, the only difference in this design as opposed to this design is how we have the door and the butler's pantry. Over here, it's a similar setup, but I've just moved everything this way if the door is here. This butler's pantry is a little bit bigger because I turned the corner with cabinetry. As you can see, we have a beverage refrigerator. This is a 24-inch wide beverage refrigerator. Another Super Susan in the corner. Base cabinet. And a bank of drawers here. It's kind of hard to see because the walls are in the way. Over here, it's a little simpler. Bank of 3 drawers, space for the beverage refrigerator, bank of 3 drawers, wall storage. Nice landing area. So that's what I have at this point. So this can, we can certainly have a more intelligent conversation at this point. Anytime after the holidays, if you'd like. See that one, and we have this version.